Good morning, students. So welcome back to our class. Today is your EVS subject. So you know that we have completed the explanation from the textbook, means looking around, chapter number 3, water or water. Today we will continue with the workbook. Same chapter, means chapter number 3, water or water. So today let us start from the workbook. It is chapter number 3, water or water. Workbook. Okay. In our previous class, we have started some question answer from the workbook. I think you all know that one, and one thing, you will write every answer in the workbook. Okay, we will write there in the workbook with the pencil. So today we will start from question number 3. Actually, we have done question number 1 and 2 from the workbook. See page number 10 and 11. I am talking about page number 10 and 11. 10, 11. Okay. So number 1, I am repeating that one. I am just telling you verbally. Name the different forms of water. The different forms of water are as follows: liquid form, that is water; solid form is ice; and gaseous form or gas form, it is water vapor or steam. Then we have also done number 2, why do we need water? You know why do we need water? Name some activities which need water. So we have written also that answer. Another name of water is life. It is most essential thing for our survival. Some activities are drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, etc. We have already done that one, I think. And one thing, every students are requested to switch off your front camera. Okay, switch off your front camera and mute your microphone. Okay. So today we will start from number 3. Okay. Anushka, yes, you have done that one. Okay, today I will discuss from number 3. Name a few containers you use to store water at home. Answer, your answer is okay. Answer is water can be stored in different containers. Water can be stored in different containers like overhead tanks, underground tanks, buckets, jugs, earthen pots, bottles, etc. So, let me repeat this one, and I think all of you are following the board also. You must write down in your EVS workbook there. So, we have started from number 3, number 3 means that is Roman 3, this one I have written. So, the question is, name a few containers you use to store water at home. So, water can be stored in different containers like overhead tanks, underground tanks, buckets, jugs, earthen pots, bottles, etc. Now, next question, we will move to the next question, means question number 4 of section 1. Write any 3 natural sources of water. Write any 3 natural sources of water. So, your very easy, this one you already know. 3 natural sources of water are 3 natural sources of water are rainwater, I can write river, lakes, okay. So, I am repeating the answer once again. I am repeating it. Write any 3 natural sources of water. So, 3 natural sources of water are rainwater or rain you can obtain, river, lakes. Okay. Now, we will move to question number 5. Okay. Now, I will rub number 3. Okay, see here I have written the page number also. So, next question, question number from section 1, question number 5. Okay. Write some uses of water. Write some uses of water. So, what is your answer? So, let us write the answer now. Some uses of water, some uses of water are What are the uses? You know. Drinking, cooking, bathing, watering the plants, I can write, washing the clothes, washing utensils, etc. Okay. So, these are some of the uses of water. Some uses of water are drinking, cooking, bathing, watering the plants, washing the clothes, washing utensils, etc. So, I will repeat what we have done today, then we will move to question number 2. It is tick mark. You have to tick the mark some of the activities given. We will discuss later on now. First, I will recap what we have done from the. So, we have started from number 3 today. Number 3, you can see this on page number 11 of your EVS workbook. Number 3, name a few containers you use to store water at home. So, answer is water can be stored in different containers like overhead tanks, underground tanks, buckets, jugs, earthen pots, bottles, etc. You can check your answer, okay, what you have written. Now, question number 4, write any 3 natural sources of water. 3 natural sources of water are rainwater, river, lakes. Then question number 5, write some uses of water. Some uses of water are drinking, cooking, bathing, watering the plants, washing the clothes, washing utensils, etc. Okay, all of you are requested to mute your microphone and switch off your front camera. Okay, Shohana, please. Okay. Now we will move to question number 2. You can see this in your book, page number 11. Okay, I am rubbing number 4 now. Okay, number 2, tick mark on the activities in which water is needed, or mark cross in which water is not needed. So, I will write the statement, then okay, Suchita, switch off your front camera. Okay, Shohana also switch off. Okay, so I will start from number 1. While washing the clothes, okay. Number 2, in cooking, number 3, in stitching, Number 4, watering the plants. Watering the plants. Number 5, controlling the traffic. Controlling the traffic. Okay. Now number 6. 6 is while bathing. While bathing. Okay. Now I am discussing, all of you please follow page number 11 of your EVS workbook. I am discussing number 2, tick mark on the activities in which water is needed or mark cross in which water is not needed. So, let us see, let us solve it. While washing the clothes, water, yes, very good. In cooking also we need water. Okay. In stitching it is cross, we do not need water, we need needle and thread. Okay. Watering the plants, yes, tick mark. Controlling the traffic, no, you should know the signal, traffic signal, no water is needed. While bathing, yes, you need water. Okay. So, these are the answers for number 2. Now, we will move to next page, page number 12, fill in the blanks. Okay. We will solve the fill in the blanks. Yes, very good, Wendrila, all you are giving the correct answer, very good. Okay. Now, I will rub the board. Solve the fill in the blanks from next page. This is from, this is number 3, fill in the blanks. This is from page number 12. So, I will rub this one. Okay. So, number 1, there dash alternate of water. It is there is no, answer is no, you will write the answer. There is no alternate of water. Okay. Okay, let us write the full sentence, it is better for you. There is no. Okay. Linoy Shaha, please switch off your front camera. No alternate of water. Number 2, water is dash for humans, animals and plants. It will be lifeline. LIFELINE, lifeline for humans, animals and plants. Number 3, the main source of water is rain. The main source of water is rain. Now, number 4. Coming to number 4, we should dash water. Your answer is, what is the answer? Your answer is, we should save water. Okay, very good. Number 5. Number 5, on melting, snow turns to dash. On melting, snow turns to dash. So, what is the answer? Snow turns to water. Yes, you can see this thing. You have ice in the refrigerator. If you take out the ice and keep it in the room temperature, means if you keep it in the outside, after some time it will melt, it will turn into water. Okay. So, on melting, snow turns to water. Okay. So, number 3 we have completed. Let us recap what we have done. Number 1, fill in the blanks. There is no alternate of water, is no. Okay, is no. Number 2, water is lifeline for humans, animals and plants. Number 3, the main source of water is rain. Number 4, we should save water. Number 5, on melting, snow turns to water. Okay. Yes, Anushka, very good. Now, number 4 you will doing as homework. Number 4 you will do as homework. Okay. No need of doing now. Question number 4. Question number 4 and fun activity. Fun activity from page number 12. From page number 12. Okay. Question number 4, that is you have to rearrange the word, rearrange the jumbled letters. Okay. You will do that as homework and show me next day. Okay. You can show me next day. Okay. And fun activity I am discussing, you have to draw, see here, fun activity number 5. Draw pictures of different types of containers used for storing water in your house. Also write their names. So, you will draw different types of containers you are using for storing the water. You will draw there. Okay. All will do this homework number 4 and number 5 from fun activity, page number 12. So, this is for today's class. we are ending today's class now. That's all. I think you will all memorize the question answer, you will learn at home and be safe. So, that's all. Goodbye everyone.